Baby animals. The leopard baby is called a cub, and by 10 days old the cub's eyes are open and its fur is showing spots. Bear baby is called a cub. They are born blind, covered with fine hair, and they nurse on their mother's milk. A baby lion is called a cub, whelp, or lionette. They stay with their mother for 2 years learning to hunt from her. Baby polar bears are called cubs. Polar bear cubs are found in only one place in the world, the Arctic. A baby elephant is called a calf. Calves play. They bump into each other. They chase each other and pull tails. Baby chickens are called chicks. 3-month-old females are called pullets until they start laying eggs around 6 months. Adult females who lay eggs are hens, and males are roosters, cocks, or cockerels. A baby giraffe is called a calf. They are born as tall as a human adult. Baby giraffe can run after 10 hours of birth. Baby cow is called a calf. Newborn calves can see, stand, and walk. Calves start to moo shortly after birth. A baby horse is called a foal. A female foal is called filly and a male foal is called a colt. Baby horse hooves have a special covering often called foal slippers or fairy slippers. Baby coots are called chicks. Coot chicks don't look like their parents. They are bright and colorful unlike their parents, with yellow and orange downy feathers. Baby camel is called a calf. Calves has no humps but small peaks of hide, with a tassel of curly hair to indicate where the humps will form. Dogs are called puppies or pups from birth until they become mature. Their eyes don't open until they are around 2 weeks old, so before this they use their amazing sense of smell to find their mom. Baby rabbits are called kits, kittens, or kitties. Female rabbits are called does and males are called bucks, just like baby deer. A baby monkey is called an infant. Most baby monkeys are born with their eyes open and are able to cling to their mother for transportation and protection. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs can walk just minutes after they are born, though they are often dependent on their mothers for the first 4 to 6 months of their lives. Not only can sheep recognize up to 50 other sheep faces and remember them for 2 years, but they can also recognize human faces. Baby cats are called kittens. All kittens are born with blue eyes and their true iris color is evident by 8 weeks of age. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. A newborn kangaroo is so tiny and delicate it cannot even be touched by its mother. A baby rhino is called a calf. Rhino babies can weigh as much as a full-grown adult. Baby wolves are called pups. Usually 4 to 6 pups are born together. This is called a litter, and the pups in a litter are called littermates. Baby zebras are called a foal. They can walk just 20 minutes after birth and can run after an hour. Baby cow is called a calf. A female calf is sometimes called a heifer calf and a male a bull calf. Calves start to moo shortly after birth. Baby meerkats, called pups, will drink their mother's milk when they're first born and move on to water as they get older. A baby boar is called a piglet, shote, or pharaoh. Piglets are caramel colored with stripes on their coats to camouflage them in grasses and forests. Dogs are called puppies or pups from birth until they become mature. Their eyes don't open until they are around 2 weeks old, so before this they use their amazing sense of smell to find their mom. A baby horse is called a foal. A female foal is called filly and a male foal is called a colt. Baby horse hooves have a special covering often called foal slippers or fairy slippers. Baby chickens are called chicks. 3-month-old females are called pullets until they start laying eggs around 6 months. Adult females who lay eggs are hens, and males are roosters, cocks, or cockerels. Bear baby is called a cub. They are born blind, covered with fine hair, and they nurse on their mother's milk. A baby goat is called a kid. A male goat is called a buck or a billy. Baby goats are born with rectangular pupils. This allows them to be able to see a wider range of their surroundings. Lion cubs are quick developers and start to walk at 10 to 15 days old. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.